like them. Jamming on the beat. Serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys! It's the best box of the year. It's winter. Fabfitfun. And yes, it's my third intro. Because I just kept forgetting stuff. And 90% of them was sitting right next to me. So, I did get a lot of extras this time. And I usually try to stay away from that. But I'm going to tell you what. I have been a member for so long that honestly, sometimes it's hard for me to pick. And this time it was hard for me to stop. Because, you know, they've had so much new stuff come. You know, and which is a good thing. I'm glad to see it happen. And you'll be glad to know, between the fight with me and the packing play today, I won, finally. I'm trying to clean up after the grandkids came because they moved. So they had me watch the great grandkids while they were moving. They got it done in one day, but I had to have them, you know, the day before they started and the day after so they could come get them. And they were having a time. Okay, I don't know what category these were in, but I do know I got some in my in the advent calendar. And I will be honest with you, I don't really like socks, but I always give them to my sister every year. And I don't remember what else was in this category, but if I got these, I didn't want whatever else was in there, which is rare because most of these things, yeah, I'm like, Deb, you gotta stop. You gotta stop. Of course, you also get your HelloFresh free meals. This is Wow, and this is Dreancoat. I could use that right now, honestly. And it's supposed to be Supernatural Spray. Let you see, because I'm having a day with my hair today. And it's got this little clipper thing. Okay. I just didn't want to spray something on there that was just going to, you know. So we'll do this side, see what happens. We'll spin it out. It's about time to go get it cut all one length again, because the top layer is now down to here again. So, oh, my friend's just texting me back. Every now and then I'll text her this song. And this is supposed to give you shine, added shine, and do away with frizzies, I believe. But I've never tried this one, but all the Wow products I've tried, I like. Okay, then they had this brown belt. There's some more off my... This brown belt, which is a simple brown belt, but you know, let's be honest, it's traumatic for us older women, you know, especially those of us that got bigger as we got older, you know, it's traumatic to go buy a belt. All these people looking around at you and seeing you putting it around your waist. Well, where's my waist? Well, that's nice. I don't know what this is, but it's 40% off something. But it says it's manifesting more me moments. It's probably for the wine things. What you need when you want it. And so much more. But it's got candles and lipstick and... I don't have any idea. Never seen that before. It's probably... Oh, there it is. DoorDash. DoorDash. My grandkids have DoorDash a lot of times. When they get where they need money and not payday, they DoorDash. Which is, hey, just don't ask Grandma for it. We're good. Okay, and this right here is Future Society Floating Florist. But I noticed it was a close, I think it was by the same company that mine had, that I wear, and I wear that Life of the Party. Imagine that. But I wear that a lot, and I thought, well, if I don't like it, it can always be a Christmas present. Let's see what she smells like. I don't know if I showed you the box, but the box looks like so. And I'll put the values of all this stuff on the screen because, you know, it's right on the website, but I haven't gone that far yet. And this has got a spray on it, so it's got to come straight up. Oh, it's just tight. Okay, let's see what we got. We're going to use this little box. Oh, that's its box. I don't think I got any out yet. Nope, still ain't got none out. Hey, people. I still don't. Oh, there, I got it. Yes, it smells very good. I don't know what it's supposed to smell like. It's supposed to smell like a floating forest by Future Society or vice versa. Would that smell good? I like more of those. I don't like musk. Everybody knows I don't like musk. And I don't like patchouli. And I've come to realize that it's not me. It's me, not the rest of the world. Because, like, my grandkids love it. Love those scents. My sister loves it. My best friend loves it. And I can't stand them. They just smell like mold to me. Oh, and this is my Grate Plate. And I thought, well, this is different. And this is just a plate. And it also has this other thing. This is just a little tiny plate. And when you want to grate your cloves or your garlic, and, you know, stuff like that, you just grate it right here on the plate. But, of course, we know where it'll be in my kitchen. It'll be up on a wall somewhere. Because that's what I do. That way I can have all the stuff I need. I just don't have the space to... Yeah, and this is the cleaner thing for it. It's brush. Oh, that's the silica. But, see, that's what I'm talking about when they're getting different stuff. We've never had anything like this before. And I like it, and it goes with I can make it go with my decor. Okay. Whoa. Whoa, Deborah. Settle down. Okay, then I got this. And this is the bowls. And I got these thinking even if I don't want them, my granddaughter and my granddaughter-in-law, they're both, you know, they're in their 20s, just starting out. You know, they like fancy things. I gave it some of those bowls we got before that are similar to these. I gave them to Haley. And this is the 3-bowl set. And if you look at them, they've got like a purple ombre here. And look, it's purple. It would go with about anything. So I'll have to make the decision on that. Do I want it or do I want to pass it? Who are we kidding? Here are we kidding? It's in question. Won't be this year they get it. I had to laugh. I seen some woman. They were talking about what they call it a Swedish cleaning or something, and that's when you clean out all your stuff so your kids don't have to when you die. And this woman said, I ain't doing that. She said, I'm buying me a storage shed. She said, I've been cleaning after those bitches for years. And I'm like, I kind of feel sorry for mine, but not really. And then, okay, I had a lot of shit outside the box because I ordered a lot this time, I told you. So we will go through this, and I think this was in section 1, and I got the jammies, and I got the 1X, 2X, which is probably going to be too big, because I saw Andrea, oh, Alexandra Ryan, and hers were, they might not, because she got hers and she's a lot smaller than me, and I thought, so, I mean, it'll go away, and they're pretty stretchy. And I don't normally wear jammies, you know, usually I wear the shirt I wore all day, and some biker shorts to bed, because it helps with, the compression helps with the cramps that I get from my disease. But I thought, I'm going to need something when I go for Thanksgiving and Christmas, when I come down with the kids. So I was like, I'm going to need something, so I went ahead and got it. But, and then here's the shirt that goes with it, and these are Honeydew. And speaking of Honeydew, my Honeydew finally got out of his apartment 2 years after his mom's stroke. I told him, I said, you need to just, and he wouldn't do it, wouldn't give up his apartment. And I said, what are you afraid of? And, you know, of course he was afraid of admitting that she wasn't going to be the same. And he said, once you admit it to yourself, it's not that hard. I said, oh, it's hard anyway. Don't kid yourself, it's hard anyway. I had another, okay, then I got these, and I wasn't sure if I wanted them, because they're nothing like anything I've ever really wore before. But, you know, ooh, those are a lot more pretty than I thought. I'm glad I took the risk. Oh, I see. There is more stuff I got to show you. But I'm going to put one of these on just to show you how they look on. Oh, that's why. I was trying to get the back of the... Well, these look nice in Christmas pictures. Oh my, those are very pretty and very sparkly. And you know I'm a silver girl. They came in silver and the came in gold. And I said, nope. But I've never worn anything like this before, because it's just kind of out of my element, you know. My mom didn't live with me growing up, so I always felt like I didn't know how to be a girl. It's taken me years to get to where, hey, it's okay. You know, you can do your makeup by yourself like a big girl, and you can do your hair once in a while. It doesn't kill you. But aren't those pretty? Be likey. Yeah, those are nice. Very nice. And then this, there's one more thing besides this that I can't seem to find. It's in the box. Because I did get some. Nope. I don't know where it's at. Anyway, I got this. And I got this because I'll be honest with you, when they had these last season, I didn't really know what they were. I just kind of glanced over them and I thought they were something to put on the wall. I'm like, what the hell? But they're Trivets. Oh, I forgot to put my earring back in. They're Trivets. And I kind of had FOMO. And last time I had FOMO was the oil thing. And I got one for my sister and one for my mom. And I didn't get me one. But they're the silicone Trivets. And I can make them go on my wall somewhere. And I also got, is this it? That ain't it. I got that Skylar, and I just saw it 2 minutes ago. It's Skylar perfume, and it's a roll-on. I can't find it. What did I do with it? Probably right in front of my face. I've been doing this all day. I'm like, you know, I can get this house clean in no time. If my brain would go back to the 80s, then I wouldn't have time to do it. So, but anyway, I'm gonna put it back in here. Maybe I did. It didn't just disappear. I'm such a mess. My mom always told me I was a mess. She said, Dad, you try to do too much, too fast, and it ends up taking you more time. She might be right. Okay. Anyhow, I got the Skylar cologne, and when I find it, I will critique it on my mystery bundles, because I'm going to film them next. So, give it a like and a subscribe. You know, old people need love too. Bye.